Hey everyone, it's Lily. So today is the day I have been waiting for. I am moving today, kind of. So basically today's Friday. I am moving into my host family's home today. Technically, I'm moving my stuff in there. I have work at 3:30 tonight, and then tomorrow I have work at 8 a.m. to 4. So I wanted to vlog on my vlog camera, but I don't know where it is. So hopefully I find that soon. Right now, this is all the stuff that I'm bringing today. So this suitcase, again, like this camera doesn't even like focus either. I have to manually focus it. So this is the suitcase that I'm bringing, one of them. It just has a lot of toiletries and stuff like that in it, and all of this stuff. I'm gonna go, it's like 12 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna go over there. I'll get there by like 12:45, and then I gotta be back by at least 3, so I'll bring you along with me. Okay, so I got everything in here. It's actually not that bad right now because I'm making another trip, obviously, but that in there. My trunk is really full. So yeah, I'm hoping to go there and find my camera. See you in a second. Okay, so I just found my camera literally in my compartment right here in my car. So I just arrived to their house, so I'm gonna take my stuff in. They're not here, they're at work. So I'm gonna go see if the front door's unlocked. I'm gonna move my car. Look at that. That's a mess. Okay, I'm gonna move my car and the side door's unlocked. So, alright, so the side door is unlocked. Move my car. Now let's get all my stuff out. Okay, so I opened the garage, put my car in here. Oof, I need to scoot up a little tad bit. So this is what my room looks like right now. This was my friend's old, like, room, obviously. Her bed used to be right here and her stuff, but now I'm in here. So I don't know if they're gonna get me a bed or not. Like, probably this weekend they probably will, obviously, because I'm sleeping in here. And it looks so weird in here because this is their room. They're both sleeping in here. It used to be just one bed, but now it's 2. It's really messy, so I'm just gonna get out of here. I got the worst one up. Oh, I'm sweating. Gotta put that air, you know. Okay, last thing. That was not bad at all. Alright, so it's currently 1:13 and I want to leave here by 2:15 so that I can get home and so I have time to eat and stuff before I work. But this is everything. So, everything that I brought today at least. So they actually gave me this, which is awesome. So they gave me like this organizer and this loofah. But what I'm going to plan on doing is just definitely taking all of my clothes out, putting them in there, and then, I don't know, I might decorate a little bit, depends on timing. But yeah, so, and I'm probably going to reorganize these 2 pieces. So, the dad of the host family, like my second dad basically, just came and got me a bed. Oh my gosh. So I'm probably gonna get a new one of these things, and then I got some stuff set up. It's like 1:59, so I got 15 minutes and I'll leave. Alright, so as of right now, this is what my room looks like. Obviously, it's not done. I put that nightstand over there, but I don't know if I should put that over there. I'm not sure yet, so I don't know. I'll figure it out tomorrow. But I gotta go. It is 2:14. Bye, room. Ha. Alright, so now I am on my way home to go to work. Oh, my brake's on, that's why. So I will be back tomorrow. Obviously, tomorrow is Saturday, so my friends will be helping me move in and stuff like that. But I got the majority of my stuff taken care of today. Anyway, yeah, that is it. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, it's 2:24 and I have to go back to their house because I forgot my Apple Watch because it was on 10% and I was charging it in my friend's room and forgot it there. So let me go now. Okay guys, so today's the day that I move in. I don't know, like I'm excited but I'm nervous. Just because I'm gonna be like not living at home, like that's what I know. Obviously, my friend helped me put a bunch of stuff in my car yesterday night before, so I didn't have to do it this morning, and so it's all packed. There's a bunch of stuff back there. I think I got pretty much everything, but I'm heading to church right now. I'm a little late, so oops, you know what's new. But I will talk to you guys after church.
Oh boy.
I look like a mess. Oh!
Let's go! Vlog me moving in.
Hey guys, this is Lily Bayer back with another vlog.
Did you even start it?
Yes, I started and I'm
Are
not
you
a
sure?
fool. I'm recording right now. I can see it, you fool. So today, guys, we're gonna be moving in.
She already halfway moved in.
No, she's not. Not yet.
Oh
Hey guys, this is Lily Bayer back with vlog part 4.
Frame.
I currently have about 58 subscribers, guys. Thank you. I am very, very proud of all of you. Thank you so much for all the support. It means the world to me, guys.
You can't be in here. The weight limit's five tons. Clickbait title: Roasting Troy.
It's not a good clickbait.
Myself.
I'm recording this just in case she crashes, so I have proof it was her fault.
It was her fault.
Look at that precision.
Ah!
Perfect.
Would you stop?
I think I'm in the grass.
Things. Observe how small the Lily Bayer is.
Get out of here. My camera.
Look at this, right here, look.
Oh my god.
She's tiny.
Stop.
Yo. Alright, we're going inside and leaving Lily to do all the work. Honey, I'm home. Nika.
She just went around the corner.
Honey, I'm home. There's a puppy dog. Come here. Come here, puppy. Come here. Puppy, come here. Let me pet you. Let me pet you, dog. Hi. I'm vlogging today for Bayer. She's paying me $300 to vlog for her. There we go. I'm vlogging. Hey, you're paying me $300, right, to vlog? Come here, puppy. Come here, Nika. Oh, I know it's a she. Wild Bear.
All of my camera equipment.
Today, we're going to be talking about extra Radiance Cocoa Butter Body Lotion. Fructis. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we will be reviewing Lemon Pomegranate Cream Fine Fragrance Mix. Fine Fragrance Mix.
Oh my god.
I can't say fragrance right. I'm sorry.
Oh man, Alyssa!
Bro! What is this room?
Look at Mariah's.
You can literally see a line down the middle.
I know, literally.
Alright, you ready? This is Alyssa's side, and then there's Mariah's side. You can literally see a line down the middle. What is this? There.
Oh my gosh, stop.
Better not stop my vlog.
I'm not. Oh boy. 8 minutes? Oh my gosh.
Alright, I'll take it off. Will you pet me now?
Will you pet me? You want her to pet you?
No.
Wow, there's so much stuff in here now. Dude, I love that Stegosaurus.
Taking the camera back. What's up, peeps?
Yo, yo, yo! Whoa. Whoa.
Literally, this is the only picture I have.
And
Whose shoe is this?
Oh,
Hey guys, so I'm officially moved in, so I'm kind of being quiet because people are already in bed. But yeah, and I just washed my face and stuff. But this is what my room looks like right now. Yeah, so I hope I get this video out sooner rather than later. But yeah, this is what my closet looks like. I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I moved out. Bye, guys.
Chinchilla.